Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Prithvi Guzar, and in this video we'll be talking about Chrome extensions, specifically my top 6 must-have extensions. So if you don't know what Chrome extensions are, they are small programs that customize your browsing experience according to your needs. So if you're interested in making your Chrome browser feel more personalized, then keep on watching this video.
To enable tab groups, click on the first link in the description box and search for tab groups as shown. It will be set to default, so click on enabled and right click on any tab you want and select add tab to new group. This will create a new group that is represented by a circle. If you click on the circle, you can edit the group properties like group name and its respective color. You can add other tabs to a group by the same method or by simply dragging the tabs as shown. The tabs in that group will be underlined with the color you chose. Tab groups help in organizing tabs by topic, urgency, progress, etc. Tab groups are customizable, so you can decide how to use them, and just like regular tabs, your groups are saved when you close and reopen Chrome. Momentum is a new tab page that shows a new inspirational photo with a new quote each day. As you can see, it shows the current time, and below that it wishes you good morning or evening with your name. Momentum's daily focus feature helps you concentrate your efforts by asking you what is your main focus for today. The text you enter as your focus will display in the center of Momentum, and you will be reminded of it whenever you open a new tab in your browser. It displays new quotes each day which you can like and tweet directly. See the weather and forecast at the upper right corner, and you can customize your location anytime you want. On the upper left corner, you can add your favorite links in the link tab. It's basically a better looking version of Bookmarks bar. For example, I'm linking my channel link here so that I can open that link in just one click. You can directly search on Google whatever you want from here. Keep track of tasks with to-do list. You can add as many tasks as you want, and once you're done with that task, you can clear it out by checking the checkbox. You can fully customize your new tab page with the help of the settings. Chrome Notepad is a space where you can write down your thoughts or take quick notes inside the Chrome browser without having to open any other application. You can make the text bold, italic, and underlined. You can add various types of bullets, which makes noting down a list of things easier. It's an extremely fast and reliable notepad, and you don't need to log into it. The UI is pretty simple, which makes it easier to take down notes. Best part about it is that it remembers your scroll offset, that is your last position of your cursor. You can add your tables and justify and align your text as well. You can strike out the unwanted text and delete the notes. After deletion, the notes are still available for restoring or permanently deleting them. You can also download and print out the notes that you want. As the name suggests, this extension blocks ads from all the websites you visit. It blocks annoying video ads and banners, pop-ups, and it also gives faster browsing experience as it blocks unnecessary resources from loading. As you can see, it shows the number of ads it has blocked on a particular website and the total number of ads blocked in general. Click on the ABP icon to see how many ads have been blocked. You can customize its features by whitelisting the sites you want to receive ads from. This extension shows you if your emails have been opened by your recipients and the number of times the mail was opened, and if there are any links present in the mail, then it shows how many times the links were clicked. In addition to this, you can schedule your mails by using the send later option. All you have to do is add this extension on your browser and log in with your Gmail account. With this extension, you can customize your experience of using the Chrome browser with cool free mouse cursors. There are over 100 different cursors distributed according to categories, for example music, web series, games and K-pop, etc. All of them are free to use and they are updated almost every day. You can also create your own cursors in the constructor section and use the existing cursor or upload your own. The only problem with this extension is that the custom cursors do not work in the address bar and the space above that.
So that's it for the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.